Here we are back once again with the brand new adventures with Mr. and Mrs. Radar Monkey. And this week we're heading down South Lombok and checking out all the area. We're going to Sade Village, which is an old school original village here in Lombok, and also checking out Kuta Beach and lots more. So come and join our adventures. This is day 3 of our trip to Lombok, and then today we are literally going to be heading all the way south. So it's going to take us probably about an hour and a half to explore that part of the island. But from the west side, if it's anything like this side, it's going to be great. So yeah, come and join us. And we're going to do a little quick dip and then we're going to get on the bike. There we go. So we've got about an hour and a bit going south, or south that way.
It was an intense journey. It took us an hour and a half, most of which was on a motorway. And even though there wasn't much traffic and the roads were really well maintained, it was super windy and fast paced. It's definitely not for the faint-hearted.
So we drove here. It took us about an hour and a half. It's quite a nice drive. The motorway is lovely. Like no cars on it hardly, but yeah, just the winds, like I literally have to put my foot down, and it's a long way. Like, you don't even think it's just big. It's just, Lombok is just huge. So I think that the more that you go on the motorways, the more it's going to be like a nicer adventure. So we're here now, an hour and a half later. Now we're going to check out this cool little sweet little traditional village. So yeah, come and join us.
We are in Desa Village, which is an old traditional village, about 13 minutes from Kuta. And it's, yeah, it's lovely. Lots of little artifacts and really nice structures.
She must live in 3 weeks.
3 weeks to make.
This 1 week.
1 week. Wow.
And what is this going to be? What is this?
This for shawl.
Found Sade Village very interesting. Just the local people here were really able to talk to you and show you what the way of life used to be. I must personally like the small huts with woven bamboo and amazing thatch roofs. Wow, that's amazing. I like the blue one, Pat. What do you think, Pat? Have one for me. Oh, I'm more for the ladies.
It's like, it's a sarong.
Oh, wow. You changing the roof? Yeah, it's really good. I love the way you do your roofs. What's it like? Very cold. You want to go? We'll swap. I'll stay here. You go to the window. Good. Thank you so much. Very much to see. Wow, all you budding carpenters out there, so they change these roofs every about 10 to 11 years, and it's just literally just thatched. I love that. So all you budding carpenters, that's the way to really build a hut, I guess.
This 1 week.
Wow. Have you got? And you live here?
Yeah, I live here.
Wow, your English is good.
I can little.
A little bit.
Yeah, little
My
bit.
Indonesian, a little bit.
Yeah.
I've got Baba Gooding.
Oh,
My tummy. I love that.
nice this color.
That's really, really pretty.
The Sasak tribe really embrace their traditions and have done so and maintained so for 15 generations. It's traditional for Sasak women to master the art of weaving fabrics, and with that they make these beautiful throws and sarongs and other items. It can take up to a week or even longer to produce one, and it's such a fine piece of garment that Phil and I just had to buy one.
So this is it. This is quite interesting because obviously this is the rice when it comes off the rice paddies, it's dried out. Well, this is literally the rice over here. Hello.
Smell the vinegar. They must clean it with vinegar.
You can use for necklace.
Oh, I'm getting too many
This maybe bracelet. This 10,000 for one. You can use for hand, for ankle.
There's still 750 people living in this village, all working together and helping each other out. As a tourist, you really got to see what life was like. It was really nice to be able to see the way they used to live and also share an insight into their day-to-day life. Baby's got to sleep.
Can try with it. No? You can try with it.
How old the baby? Your mum? Mother? Oh, 2. 2 years old? Oh, 1 year old. That's no messing. Straight from the beach. Oh. Hello. Hello. It really gave you a sense of community spirit when you're walking around this village.
See that way of life. I love it.
Like it. Wow, you look beautiful. I love the artwork. Who does the artwork? You?
Yeah,
Do you do all this artwork?
my husband make and then we help him.
Oh.
Here we have 11 artists from this village.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Oh.
We scare with the wax with this chanting.
Oh, okay.
And then we make a point. Yeah. With the color, wax.
So we just bought literally this beautiful design, this beautiful lady and her husband. So this is his art. So 100%, if you're going to come to Lombok, come meet this village, come meet this beautiful lady, and get some of this
Thank you so
amazing
much.
artwork. We're so happy. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
So if you're going to come to Bali or Lombok, this is the place to go.
This was a lovely and very interesting break from the drive. Now we have another 20 minutes till we reach our hotel by Kuta beach. We dropped our bags off and drove another 20 minutes to a beach that came recommended to us named Tanjung Aan.
The roads here are so well looked after. I think it's off the help of the giant GP Motorcycle International Circuit, which is based in Kuta.
We had lunch by Tanjung Aan beach in one of the many warongs by the beach. And although the water was beautiful and turquoise blue, we didn't stay very long at this beach as it was super windy and very noisy there, so we decided to move on to the next one.
This place is crazy. You've got ice cream men on motorbikes playing some weird fucking tunes. And it's windy as hell.
It is.
One beach ticked off. We're going to go and check out another one now. It is super windy but very, very beautiful. So me and Pat are going to go on our little adventures and find a beach. I think we're near Kuta Beach in Lombok.
We did have a recommendation by a local friend to visit a couple of other more beautiful beaches in the southern part of Lombok. But because we've been driving for hours already and we were tired, we decided to go to Kuta Beach, which was closer.
We're on the windiest beach in Lombok. The sun is out, but it is windy as you like. Whoa, Mr. Majika, go Patty. Woo-wee.
I look like a broom.
Oh, you're cute, babs. Kuta Beach for me was okay. It wasn't really my cup of tea. I didn't get really that kind of relaxing vibe when I was here, but there you go. That's my opinion.
Our plan for the following day was to explore the southern side of Lombok. However, this evening we met someone who told us about the secret gillies, of which we'd never heard of until then. Spontaneously, we made a plan of action to make the 2-hour drive towards the secret gillies the next day.
Oh, yummy. What one do you like the most? The snapper? Look at that one. I've never seen that. Hello. Oh, with that, it brings us to the end of the chapter. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time as we explore the secret gillies. You're not going to want to miss this one. Peace.